Okay, so this is just a quick update of where I've got to with this space game project, which is driving me nuts. I've managed to add a default player now. The default player is really exciting because all it is a cube, and I managed to get some movement on it. But as you can see, my move it up function makes it rather it's not good, but it's a start. The idea was here, this editor, when you first start, the idea will be that you'll add a default level, and this default level will have all these bits in it, so you'll be able to set all the bits up that you want to set. You'll be able to set up how many planets you want in the level, how many asteroids, stars, etc., how much space junk and collectibles, player settings, and then you'll hit the create default level and everything will be created and saved back somewhere, so as it'll we've now this won't work. That's the only problem now, the one in front of Go Station. Anyhow, that's by the by. That's not really what I'm trying to do. I am trying to get it so as when you turn, that the ship will have like a turn on it as well, so as eventually you won't be able to add two players in it. It'll only have the one player in it. But this has been a nightmare, absolute nightmare, to try to work out how to code this to get that object to move in front of the camera. It's been quite a long-winded. Well, it's taken me a good 10 days to get this far, and it is far from anywhere useful. All the codes on GitHub, I'm not going to try to explain it all, because I'm going to be really honest with some of this code. I'm not 100% sure it's needed, or some of it's not working correctly. I've had a lot of help from GitHub and Copilot. Copilot and they disagree quite a lot, actually. So yeah, it's basically a cube. We're rendering an ordinary cube, same as I did in my other editor. The player model is literally a cube. That's it. It's got nothing. Eventually I should change this out for a little spaceship model that I'm working on. I'm not very good at modeling, so it's taken a long time. And then in the main app, we simply call the player movement, passing all these bits that you're using to move the model around the screen. And it's very similar to the other one I did. We had the grid. Yeah, there'll be an option to have the grid or not when you're making the levels. Then we simply render the scene and all the objects that are going with it. This has been driving me daft, actually, because I've really struggled to get my head round. I know how to move a cube around the screen, but actually to get when you move it left or right, to get it to have that slight tilt on it, and when it goes up, believe it or not, there is a slight tilt on it, but because the camera jumps so much, you can't see it. So it is. This is definitely. I've only really made this update because it's been such a long time since I made one. I didn't want people to think I'd given up and gone home. I am still persevering with it, but I'm really struggling. I've never done this sort of thing before. Lots of the other bits that are here I've done before, and they work, and I understand how they work. This isn't working how I want it to, and to be honest with you, I don't understand half of it, which is I'm not overly bright, so it's going to take a while for me to get there, but there we go. That's where I am at the moment. There will be more to follow, I hope I don't lose interest in it. Anyhow, thanks for watching if you did.